Hi everybody, Jean back with you. This time we're going back to the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and looking at anomalies I've found on the Moon near Tranquility. And Act-React-Quickmap has produced a very nice tool that I'll show you now that I use to find these anomalies. I'll include the link to this Act tool image browser website in the video description below. And what I like about this viewer is that at the bottom left you've got the longitude and latitude coordinates, and then at the bottom right we have the image scale, and also using the tool we can zoom in really close up to the moon surface at 1 meter per pixel resolution. And we'll be checking out anomalies I've found there in that region with those blue dots. And in Google Earth Moon, this is the location of the anomalies we'll be looking at as well. And there's the first one. And if you look at the image scale to the bottom right, this object over here in this white blotch is about 25 meters long and about 15 meters wide. It looks like an oval disc-shaped object, little dome in the center over there. And also I'll show you in the Act tool, we can also look at the topography of these objects. Okay, so zoomed in. The photograph really broke up quite badly, but you can see the outline of the oval and then what looks like a dome-like feature there in the center. And then a huge opening, a triangular opening that I've found nearby. Check at the well-defined edge and geometry and symmetry in that. And from the scale indicator, this is a huge triangular opening cut into the one side. Could that be an underground entranceway? Who knows? The next object we're looking at is lying on this white blotch. Also an oval object, casting a shadow as well underneath it. This one's also about 20 meters to 25 meters long and about 10 to 15 meters wide. And we'll zoom in on it. You can see a rounded front part with a strange oval sort of opening over there, and rather weird looking parts running along the arc of this opening over there, like a star shape to it. And then a weird block also lying on a rounded white part underneath. And this block, if we use the scale indicator, is about 20 to 15 meters by 15 meters. And zoomed up close, we can see 3 of the sides, straight edges and right angles over there. Rather strange white background on which this block is lying. It looks like a dome shape over here. This is about 120 meters long by about 100 meters wide. Check at the round part to it there. I wonder what this white material is. It looks almost like paint was just thrown all over these things. Check at that. Zoomed in, check it, that rounded part to it there, and this is like a dome shape as well. And then what looks like a saucer and dome over there, that's about, let's see, 12 meters in diameter, very similar to those that I've shown you on Mars. Also same geometry and size. And zoomed up close, the photograph broke up quite badly, but you can see the rounded disc shape with a dome-like parted in the center. Maybe that's also part of a propulsion system, who knows. So switching over to the ACT Lunar image browser, as I say, I'll include the link to this page below. And we'll be checking out the anomalies over there near Tranquility, and you can zoom up close. And what I like about this image viewer is it loads higher and higher resolution images as you zoom in up close on these. So now I'm at 4 meters per pixel, 2, and then at 1 meters per pixel right there. So let's check out the topography of this object. We can use the built-in tool for that. What you do is you outline your object, and it calculates the height. You can see it's definitely got some height to it. And if you look at the detail chart, you can actually see by how much the height varies using that scale indicator there. So it's definitely got some dome-like features to that. Let's look at the triangle cutting to that one side. It's down here. And let's go up to 1 meter per pixel. Definitely looks like this could be an opening. So let's check out the height that this thing sticks up above the surface. It's got a dome-like shape to it. And there you can see the peak. It's definitely peaking over here in this region. Check at that. A massive difference. Look at the scale. Mind you, now that I check it out up close using this tool, maybe this is like a concave area with this carved into the one side. I'm not sure now, but rather strange to see this type of geometry and symmetry. Okay. 1 meter per pixel, and that looks like some type of disc-shaped object. Let's outline it it's also got a dome shape to it. Check that out. There's also something interesting over here. No, that's a crater. Next object. This is that block. 1 meter per pixel. Check at the height of this object as well. This is a very awesome tool. It's a pity Google Earth doesn't do this. Or maybe it does, but I just don't know how to use it yet. Okay. Next object is right here. This is like a dome shape. Take that out. I think Chris from Mars Anomalies and Beyond also did a video recently on anomalies in this region. And there we are at 1 meter per pixel. Another one of these disc-shaped objects, little dome in the center. You can see there's some height to it. Very little deviation. Mind you, with this blue curve, could that actually be a crater? But if we zoom up close, it sure doesn't look like it. Maybe this is a little sphere inside a crater. But check out the white blotch as well. Very bright. Not typical regolith that you find on the moon. Just check that I've covered them all. Okay, now it's down to the last one that I want to show you. It also looks like a dome. Let's verify that with this tool. Okay, it's also got a rounded part to it, and then a dip over here in the front, almost as if this was a disc-shaped craft. It crashed over here. It pushed up the regolith in front of it over there. Intriguing, this rounded edge over there. Ancient object, whatever that is. Alright, so switch over to Google Earth Moon. and we'll be checking out the anomalies in this region, very close to where Apollo 17 did their EVA. So there's the disc-shaped object, the dome on it, this triangular part cut either into the side of a crater or into the side of a hill or mound. One of these disc-shaped objects with a really strange circular part to it over there, almost like little flanges sticking out. So a rounded part to it in the front there. Then that strange block and this rounded part. Maybe it's lying in a crater, in the side of a crater, or on the side of a little hill. Don't know, I'm not sure. We've got this dome-like object, what looks like a little opening on the side here. There's another disc-shaped object, this rounded part there. And then another saucer-shaped object, a little dome in the center over there. So with that said, this concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it interesting. Also, thank you for watching, subscribing and supporting the channel. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, remember also to hit the notifications bell so that when I upload my next video, you'll receive a notification. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.